What's good, YouTube? We're here with a mukbang with crabs and pasta
and other stuff.
and garlic bread.
And then we got
some cooked crabs right here. We got the butter right here. We dip the crab in. And we have our shrimp and noodles with some garlic bread.
Now you're gonna start munching, and I got a water.
I don't have anything to drink.
Get some to drink at the fridge.
Fine.
Huh? What happened? Yeah? Yeah?
Y'all eat over that table.
Oh, yeah.
I think it would be smart if we put our napkins right here.
Oh, I forgot to dip it.
Hey, ooh. I hit the jackpot with this one. Come on. Come on out. It's alright. I ain't gonna eat you too hard.
You switched.
No, she didn't.
What you say?
Yeah, I was on YouTube.
You said on somebody's phone. Not knowing that it's yours.
I can't open it.
Alright, here we go.
I don't get one of them
I got the crab meat right here. Dip that right there into that butter, you hear me?
I got a shrimp. Dip that in there.
That's good. That's good.
Low key fire.
Low key, high key. Sue me, Look at that there, you hear me? Look at that there, you hear me? There. Drip. Anything will do.
Hand me a Pepsi. You okay with getting a hot Pepsi? Cause I don't want to talk about. Get one. Give me one now too. Give me one.
Hold up, let me wipe my hands off. I'm getting crab shells on my pants and stuff. I had a whole crab shell on my pants, bro.
You want to call me bougie? So I'm gonna be bougie.
Give me bougie too.
You want to be bougie?
Yeah. And not a girl cup too.
So this is girl cup?
Yeah. That was fun.
This is a glass. That's bougie. Bamboo. Hey.
You didn't even drink your water from earlier.
I know it's hot. Yeah. Yeah. My toe's dead.
She just dropped a whole piece of ice on her toe, bro.
My toe is dead.
Look. You got that piece of ice right there. It dropped right on her toe. Yo. That's crazy. Alright, let's see. What should I eat? Huh? What should I eat? Huh? Look at her now. Look at her. She's salty. So salty. And got that piece of ice. Ooh, look at them toes. Ugh, them toes look nasty. Them toes look crusty. Ugh, I'm feeling your toes. Your toes look crusty. See that piece of ice right there? That big piece of ice? Right on that foot. Ooh, look at these toes. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. She got yellow on her toes and stuff.
That's really green, but it's
No, it's actually yellow. It's lime green. Lime green is yellow, pretty much.
No, it wasn't lime green.
Okay.
I got gold chrome on there, so it looks yellow. It's gold.
Come here. Let me see your toe.
There's gold chrome on here.
You think it's lime green?
It wasn't. I had to refill the ice tray. Even though I didn't feel like getting the other one. No. I'm bougie. Hey, why don't you get my stuff? Oh, I didn't know you opened yours. should have put my water in the freezer.
I wish you. Oh, never mind. For a minute, I thought you said I should have threw my water in your face. I was gonna say I wish you would. You're gonna throw hands after that.
You sure, buddy?
Yeah, I'm sure. Never mind.
Dawson.
Clocked in here with this fork.
You joke around like that, though. Yeah, so don't take it serious.
Oh yeah, don't try to hit
Don't
people.
try to report us. We just play around like that.
Yep.
No comment.
Hey, look, I'm gonna tell y'all this like this. If you don't dip your
But don't
Yo.
dip it in the spicy.
what?
Because the spicy kind is, it tastes right.
What?
The
What you
spicy
talking
sauce? Like
Oh.
the bueno crab sauce?
If you don't dip your garlic bread inside this butter, something wrong with you. For real, something really wrong with you.
I don't dip it on the side I already bit.
You know what I think that makes it taste good? Is the little garlic and stuff inside of it.
But I didn't want it to get over here where I bit.
Duh. I mean, you can. It don't matter, but. I hide my mouth with my garlic bread.
Nothing wrong with his mouth.
Yeah, it's a little dirty.
You gonna keep it there all day? I mean, all night? It's night. It's about like 10.
Yo, if it's daytime where you're at right now, please let me know where you're at. I really want to visit that country or that city or that place, whatever.
Oh, wow.
But most likely it's gonna be a state. Alright, I'm gonna ask you this: if you were to date any celebrity, who would it be?
No one.
Any celebrity. Ask Cap.
It's really not.
Do you think I'm talking about like as now, or like when you get older, or like as if you were older?
As now.
I'm talking about like if you were older, and there was a celebrity,
I don't know.
and you were a celebrity. Who would you date?
Because all the celebrities might be dead.
No, like if you were like the age of the celebrities, who would you date?
Oh. I think about that. I honestly don't know. To be honest, I really don't know.
If I had a choice, I would probably date either
Katy Perry.
one of the City Girls, Megan Thee Stallion, or Cardi B. Those would have to be my choices. Can't stop like I hit the lottery.
Post my drip. Hey, y'all go add our socials. Like, you know.
I don't have a social.
I mean, like Fortnite or something. That's considered social media.
I guess.
If you could talk.
You see that little cracker thing?
There's nothing in here.
What the heck? Look, watch this.
Good. You got the crab juice.
How you do that? How you do that?
Do what?
That. Oh, never mind.
You just gotta put it in and go down. Don't go up. I used to do it. And then I got taught not to. I'm so fucking. Nope, I can't.
Yes, you can. Look, you gotta go right there.
I can't on mine. See, look.
Mm-hmm. Because they gotta be open on both sides. You gotta open that up. That's why. That's why you can't do it, because that's not opened up. The garlic is what makes it taste good. Hold on. I gotta get another napkin. Some more garlic.
Give me one.
A napkin?
Thank you.
I'll just bring a whole bunch of napkins. There you go.
I have a lot of social media, so y'all could like go follow me on.
Oh, I have Snapchat, I guess.
I have a lot. I got Instagram, TikTok, 2 YouTube channels.
Oh yeah, I got a YouTube channel too. A different YouTube channel.
Well, basically 3. Not counting this one.
Well,
I mean, counting this one.
technically it isn't our channel. Come on, where's the garlic?
Garlic.
Mom, where's that little Tupperware with the garlic in it? Where's the little Tupperware with the garlic?
It's in the fridge.
Where's the little Tupperware with the garlic in it? Okay. We'll be right back with the garlic.
I said I needed that sauce, but okay. Oh, y'all gotta go follow me on my socials. And I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe to my YouTube channel because, like, because I just, no, I'm not. I can't do it for nothing in the world. Don't know how people do it.
Alright, we back with the garlic.
You people, oh, see.
Alright, gents, we back with the garlic.
I'm lucky I'm still catching these crabs. I tried to suck it out.
Okay, look, this what we're gonna do. We're gonna get one specific napkin just for the shells of the crabs. So, like, we gonna put
I've been putting my things on this part of my napkin.
because this right here is starting to get complicated, you know. This isn't my. These right here aren't shells. Well, that one is. This one isn't. I just gotta put this under here because, you know, I got the table wet from
Don't mind if the shells get piled up. It's gonna be.
We're
I
sorry.
still got a lot of fettuccine,
For real, me too.
but I ate most of mine.
Oh no, I keep getting the juice on me.
I didn't even cook cap. I did not eat most of mine.
Last night
I didn't. I'm
we
gonna
had
take
this.
like 5 bites.
Last night we had this. She barely ate any of the fettuccine.
I ate all.
Come on, I know you seen that. You seen that, right? Just pour it right on my leg.
Why is the juice coming out of yours but not mine? I want the juice.
No, you don't want the juice.
Where did the shell go?
And when it's not thing.
Take that out.
It bounced off my hand.
Oh, see?
Alright, then I got none of it. Let me see.
Let's go, lads.
Let's go, lads.
I kept saying that every time I got a kill Fortnite.
For real.
I was like, let's go, lads.
Okay, look. You gonna do some more of this? You're...
I don't got no more of that.
I ain't bite off this side yet, so.
We don't got too many crabs left, but
I'm gonna soak it.
can I drown it?
Mm-hmm. He's gonna be dead by the time he's done with me.
Oh,
What happened?
scrape me.
They are kind of pointy though.
Even though they're snow crabs.
Snow crabs are still pointy.
I said even though they're snow crabs, because king crabs, they will kill me.
Not really. Technically, they won't. How many of the little hands have you had?
One. This is my
This
first
your
one.
first one? Okay. We said this is my first one at the same time. That's funny. Imagine one of these poking you in the hand.
I'm done.
Nah, Matt. Wait, hold on. Let me see. No, no. I just
I
got
don't
this.
want to bite. Oh, I don't want to bite that.
Imagine one of these right here clamping down right here on your finger. Yo, that hurt.
And they be like,
They be like, clap, clap, click,
But-
clap, click, clap.
and they probably
click.
do it harder, because look,
Yeah, 'cause, like we just barely pushing down on it so we don't hurt ourselves, but
I'm pushing down pretty hard.
that's on your nail. That's why. Oh, come on!
Off my
How come
nail.
I didn't see the?
This part don't really hurt, but like it feels going.
No, if it hits right here, like on your skin, that hurts. Let one of these, like next time you get a crab, let one of these just put it right here, like this on your first finger, and just clamp down almost as hard as you can, but not that hard, cause it kind of hurts.
A
But
lot,
just do it.
kinda.
Yeah, it kind of hurts, not that much.
Now if a crab did it, we're not gonna talk about that.
Now, if a crab did it, it'd be 3 times worse.
But they know how to control their own hands.
3 times.
I thought you nothing.
I did change it. I'm not that anymore. That guy's gone.
You're
He's dead.
KBNG.
Money.
That's your rapper name.
Yeah, sure, whatever. And if it wasn't,
I don't know what it would be that they done. There's no.
stolen from Joe's crab shack.
Oh yeah, that's what it say if you take it home.
Wait, so it was it already right there like that?
Mhm. You could take it. They would. I'm using that.
I'm using it too. Or is there another one?
No more.
Okay then.
It used to be. Somebody lost it.
Somebody stole it. That's what happened. Somebody stole it.
Cause they knew we stole it. What if somebody that worked at Joe's Crab Shack stole it back?
That's what I was just gonna say on everything I love. I was just gonna say that.
You finna put that on God. You like, nope, I'm not about to put that on God.
I didn't want to say it right there like that. You know, like right there, right there.
On camera.
I was trying to refrain from saying that, but okay, yes, sure. That's what I was trying to refrain from saying. I wish that would have fell out your hand.
We actually did.
I mean, like onto the floor.
Oh no.
You suck.
Ow.
I'm going through these things like. Bet you I'll finish all my food. Fettuccine rice.
You just might.
How? I still have a lot. You barely have anything left. I'm eating slow because of the video. Even though we're already 18 minutes in. 19 now. Hey, yo, look. I'm gonna show y'all how I eat in prison. It's how people eat in prison.
You know that.
What's up, homie? Pass me some of your cornbreads. Give me some of your noodles. I'll trade you some noodles for some crab legs. Homie, you trying to steal my food, homie? This is how white people eat.
Racist.
Honey, can I please have a crab leg, please?
Heck no.
Can I have a crab leg, please? Just one. Come on now. Thank you. People in England be like, now, isn't this a fine piece of crab?
Versus people from California.
People in England, how they drink.
Those people in California eat way different.
California people be like,
Hey, can I pass? Like all races in California, y'all know how we eat. Like that.
yeah, homie. You had these crab legs yet, homie?
Everybody in California gotta eat at least crab leg once. I just look like a claw.
Hold up.
Y'all want more butter?
No,
Y'all done?
basically.
Pretty much.
Okay, well y'all can clean up these dishes. Yep, y'all can clean up these dishes. And why is that water on the floor? How did that water get on the floor?
Probably got ice.
What ice?
That one, I forgot.
So you didn't pick it up?
It just flew.
You might as well finish eating now. Just finish eating and do it when you finish eating. Just finish eating.
How are you supposed to break this?
Are you?
I think I got it. Let's see the jackpot that I hit.
If you hit one.
That's what I said. Let's see the jackpot that I hit. Barely. It still look good though. I just ate a few pieces already, so. I wonder how this right here would taste if it makes fruit punch with you.
What?
Time when you finish eating, take your trash outside.
Okay.
After y'all throw y'all trash away.
Alright. If the crab legs right here are giving such a way of viewing the food, sorry, we're just throwing it on there.
Now you got the whole little piece of ice on the floor, girl.
Whoa,
Okay, when y'all finish eating, okay, you put these dishes up. That's right here. Carson, you just tell them where they go. And Carson, you wash the dishes.
Okay.
And you gonna take the trash outside.
okay. It's like I broke my teeth almost.
I think I'm done. You want the last four? Because I can't eat it.
Why not?
And the last three, I'm full. All yours.
I guess I'll end the video too. Can you give me a napkin, please? Yes, you did. No, not that one. You've already used it.
That's you know, just use
And
this.
okay, when Carson finishes washing the dishes, you wipe that table off real good.
Can I have a napkin?
Well, scissors.
Thank you.
Y'all recording yourself eating that?
Mukbang.
And Makai, you mop the floor.
I'll mop
Well, you was gonna do the dishes.
and mop. I'll do both.
Okay, well, you go, girl.
3, 4 things. 1, 2, 3. You only do one thing.
I'm doing 2.
No, at first I was gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4 things.
I was gonna do 1, period.
No, you gotta do 2 things.
I was. I mean, I can cancel it, you know.
No, you can't.
I canceled.
No, you can't cancel. Too late. Period.
Poo.
I guess I'll just eat all this to myself then. Thank you. Have a good day. Unless you want to still sit here, baby. I wish you would, bro.
I'm about to start playing that. I'm sick of trying to tell me how to live. I'm a bad.
You stepped on it. You almost fell, huh? Mm-hmm. Oh, question. Bring those scooters in the house.
Who gonna rob them?
You never know.
You could not when you come back from the trash.
What's the point of doing that? We can just grab it right now.
Not cool. Cause I'm gonna just leave mine out. You can take yours. Cause I still gotta put mine back there. So what I'm gonna do is go to the bathroom first. No, probably gonna be fun.
I'm playing still. Well, she left me. But I ain't doing stop this mukbang until I'm done eating. So y'all gonna be seeing me for a good 30 minutes. 30 minutes. How you doing with the I can get that thing out the frame. But I'm telling you like this. If you didn't know at first that the best part of the butter is the garlic and the parsley, like me, I feel bad for you. Like seriously, I truly feel bad for you. Like I just found out that today. I've been eating all this since last night, yesterday.
Oh, Mom.
Yeah. I'm finna end this video at 30 minutes. No.
30 so far, but it might get cut out somewhere.
So yeah, I'm finna
Wait,
see you.
before we leave.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do one of these real quick. Even though I'm not done with my food. Yeah. Anyway. So if you guys know those little
Jelly straws.
Yeah, the little jelly things. We're gonna do one of the jelly straws. So I have a way of doing mine.
I have the regular way of it.
She just opens hers up, but well, it sounds funny, but I pretty much just suck on it, and I bite a piece of it like this. I bite this, and I just suck the rest of it. So.
Let's do at least better than that.
That's good.
Fell right on my hand.
Alright guys, that's it
Okay.
for the mukbang, and
Have a good day.
we will be not doing no more videos because this video turned out a little weird.
We won't be doing no more mukbangs.
Yeah, mukbangs, yeah. We might do other videos, but not mukbangs. Yeah. So we'll be seeing you guys, and I don't know how long, but that's it for the video. Peace.
Hey.